Chinese off toys. Today we're all gonna have a laugh at some toys that have been produced in China and are just, well, I guess you'll see. Something's wrong, but they're great Secret Santa gifts or present for your best friend's birthday. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's look first at this well done super Batman. Wait, what? But he doesn't even look like a bat. Come on now. Better than an off one. I guess you can just call this one Special Man then. Okay, let's go to the Marvel Universe characters because they will probably have it all together. Wait, what's this? Well, I guess the multiverse has accidentally combined too many things to make a mega Avengers squad. Spider-Man, yes. Batman, no. Avatar, maybe. Think he's a good guy, but pretty sure no superpower aside from being tall and very blue. Wait, that's pretty much Mr. Fantastic, isn't it? Oh, okay, sure, he's a superhero. Yeah, I can give him that, yeah. Let's look at an untypical superhero who's mostly just hardcore. Mr. T. Very strange. Is he a transformer? Or was he cursed? Or wait, what? This happened to Thomas the Train too? Oh, there goes someone's childhood, I guess. Thomas, destroy other trains! Okay, at least we've still got the Ninja Turtles. They're just a bit upgraded, I think, to ride horses? Yeah, I guess riding horses in the Wild West is new for them. Pretty much doing Power Rangers multiple universes to the Turtles then. Who, by the way, likes Ghostbusters? Well, how about something that's really similar? Spook Chasers! More or less the same thing, right? Using a thesaurus comes in handy sometimes when designing new toys, I guess. Maybe video games, though, can come out unscathed. Oh, crap. Oh, really? They shaved Mario's mustache, and now Sonic is a wizard like Harry Potter. Okay. Who just graduated uni and needs a job? These companies, I guess they need someone just to proofread labels. At least this Pikachu looks very cute, doesn't it? Saving things, and I would have loved this one when playing Pokemon Yellow. One more game can be... Oh no, you can't. No, ugh. I won't let you go, I won't let you go. Don't let go, Jack, don't let go, no! Oh, sorry. I'm quite sure that you all have seen some hilarious and weird toys from time to time as well. Maybe even from your own childhood. I'd love to know if you've seen any, or maybe if you even have some. Please share the humor and send us some photos if you do. I very much look forward to seeing them. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did so, please hit that subscribe button and I'll be very happy. See you soon. 瑞典的，瑞典，对，
欧洲北边，
对，我们北欧的，北欧人，叫我北欧人。
Really？
可以了。